looking at a new asset today, and this is Ripple XRP on a weekly time frame. And since this is the first time I'm looking at it, I'm just going to quickly draw this Fibonacci retracement because this asset has been moving. So let's do that right there. And I'm going to leave this around for us to use as a guidance. And on the weekly, you can see that we just rejected off the 382. We're rejecting off the 21, the 55, the 100. And we have this last layer of support at the 236 at 55 cents. And the 200 EMA is also right there. So if this week we can hold above this 236 level, I would assume next week we can start seeing a little bit of a reprieve bounce, because there has been some heavy selling on this for the last 4 or 5 weeks on Ripple. But it does look like it's subsiding. The volume is slowing down. So next, what we're waiting for is a buy volume candle to come up and start taking this back up. Even if we go to the upside, I think we're going to find a lot of resistance around 76 cents and definitely around 82 cents. But I think we can reach those targets before we see the next wave to the downside if it comes. And then if the wave comes to break under the 200, we have this 12 cents as the last layer of support before we can see even bigger losses. Going to the daily, Ripple right now is testing the bottom of the Bollinger Band on the daily, but it did bounce off. The volume is really high on the selling. We need the buyers to step up, and we need Ripple not to make a new low under this last wick around 65 cents. Because if we lose 65 cents, we're going to see price consolidate into this new range, and it can come all the way to 55 cents if we lose 65 cents. So that's a 10-cent drop. If we can find support here, I think we can start moving to the upside. And we have our first layer of resistance at 73 cents. So we can go all the way up to 73 cents, then get rejected again to go to the downside. But if we do make it to 73 cents and above, we can look for another level of resistance at 76. We have 78, and then all the way up top at the 382, we have 82 cents. So we are consolidating in this range between 55 cents and 82 cents. And right now the path is to the downside. So we need this downside consolidation to end, go sideways, and then we can start seeing some candles to the top side. I will definitely would not be shorting this asset right now. It's really coming into the sweet zone since this was the last consolidation to the low end. So if we do lose this, then we can look for lower. But anywhere around here, I would try to accumulate and then look for taking profits to the top side. First step would be the 21 at 73 and then 88. And then we could look for the dollar level at the 0.5. So it's up to the buyers to step up. On a daily, it does look like we're finally looking for the bottom, but we need the selling to slow down. Right now, the selling is still heavy. I'm going to go to the 4-hour so we can zoom in a little bit. Looking at the 4-hour, we did dip out of the Bollinger Band and we shot right back into the 21, rejected, and we're finding some sideways consolidation. Today, the ideal scenario would be not going under 67 cents. Going under 67 cents, all those lower targets become a reality. So after losing 67, I would be looking to find support at 65 and a half. If we can't hold 65 and a half, worst case scenario, we're going to 65. And losing 65 to 64 and a half, we have all those other lower targets that we mentioned around 55 cents. So right now, the ball is in the Bulls' hands. The Bulls have to step up and start buying this up into the 21 and above. Otherwise, bears will continually sell this off in panic. So we have to see how the day goes. We just opened a brand new 4-hour candle on some buy volume. So let's see if we can get into the resistance at 69 cents. And if we can close above 69 cents in the next 4-hour candle, we have the next level of resistance at 71. So those are the levels for Ripple that we will be looking at, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the section below. If you have any thing that you want me to cover, please also let me know below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button for notification updates, for real-time updates as they come out. And aside from that, guys, just keep following along the channel. I have a lot of material coming out. Be safe. Don't forget to have your entry, your exit, your trade profit, and your stop loss in mind. And then do make sure you keep some liquidity on the side for another opportunity if you miss this one. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.